Hello, that is our mommy, uncles, and aunties, brothers and sisters out there that are looking for business to invest on, most especially agricultural business. You're welcome back to the third episode of Lifetime Investment in Agriculture. I hope you're enjoying the first one and I hope you're enjoying the second one. So, this is the third one that I actually dish like a food for you, and I know you are going to love it. So, this third one, I'll be talking about banana. I know somebody will just be asking, is banana a lifetime investment too? Oh, yes, it is. So, what you don't know is it is. Banana is one of the is farm business you can go into that will fetch you a big amount of money too, and the income will be non-stop. So you don't have to wait for months and be calculating, if I collect this, will I even collect the one of next month? No. So once your banana gave you the first one, it will still give you another one, so it will be giving you on and on. I know somebody is asking, banana do die? Banana doesn't die. So we'll talk about this. So like I told you, subscribe. If you're just joining us, just subscribe so that you can enjoy parts of this lifetime agricultural investment. That is lifetime in agricultural investment. So just subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content for you. Don't forget, my name is Simeon O. James, and this is what I do. And in Addota Farm, we talk about agriculture. We make reviews on things like this. We deal with livestock and we deal with crops as well. So it's all about farming, it's all about agriculture. The more you learn, the more you grow. So let's quickly dive into today's topic, which is banana. So it takes banana 4 months to give you to give you a matured fruit. So banana is a lifetime investment too. So like I said earlier, so it's one of the agri business you can go into. I've seen a lot of people that does this, most especially those most of our men are big men that are working in the very big company that are still thinking of other business they could still have outside their own work. So I've seen, but they are not that many. So I just want to tell us, we youth of this generation, especially our fathers have done theirs. So we have to wake up to agriculture. Agriculture will at least fetch us big money instead of depending on all these white collar jobs. They can help us to survive in life. So I know you've been dealing with this for a very long time and it doesn't solve your problem finish. This won't actually solve your problem finish, but it will give you a rest of mind. So banana, it might have disease, but I've never seen banana with diseases rather. So if the only thing you need to do is to do what? Clean your banana farm. So once you have this farm, you try to tidy it up, you clean it, don't let anything to compete with it. So that is what banana loves the most. And if you want to plant your banana, you can plant it anywhere. But make sure it's a loamy soil. Banana can survive outside waterlogged area, and they can still though they can survive more in a waterlogged area than the place that there is no much water. So, for instance, now in dry season like this, if you plant banana in a place whereby that is not nearby water, water bank, so it won't do what this very season. The fruits will if they are big before, it will just get tiny, tiny, tiny like this, and they are mature. They will be matured. But if you plant them close to riverside, they will still be absorbing water, getting water. So with that, they will bring out good fruits for you. So that is one thing to know about this banana farming of a thing. So it's very cool to go into it, so and it will fetch you a lot of amount of money. What you need to do is to plant it very big on a very big lands. Is that you get acres? Is that you get hectares? If you can take care of it, plant as much as you can. So what you just need is just a marketing strategy. So you get people that will buy it, or if you want to take it to the market and sell it yourself, you can do that. I have somebody that plants pawpaw. So even in that area, what they know him is a pawpaw man. That is what they call him. But the thing is, I can't talk about pawpaw because pawpaw is not a lifetime investment, because pawpaw dies. So within how many months to how many years, pawpaw will die, and that is all about pawpaw except you plant another one. So it's just very few years, between 1 to 2 years, pawpaw have finished their lifespan. So I don't really want to talk about that. That is not lifetime investment. But let's come to banana. Why did I say banana doesn't die? Because once you cut banana, you cut the stem. That is all. Even if you cut the fruit only, it won't bring out another one. It's that is true. You are saying the fat, and I'm actually saying the fat as well. So the reason why I said banana doesn't die is if you cut one, another one will germinate from the beginning without planting it. That is why I said it's a lifetime investment, so it doesn't die. So far you cut the one that has already given you fruit. Before you even cut it, like 10, 25 will already be germinating under them. So the more you are cutting it, the more it will be getting larger, and it will be giving you fruit time to time without ceasing. So banana doesn't die. To even eradicate banana, it will be very hard, because they are kind of uh fruit tree, should I call it tree? It's just a kind of fruits that are stubborn, so they don't die easily. So if you want to go into banana business, it is very cool as well. So you can go into the business and you will make a huge amount of money. You know, they use banana for dodo. They even use it for this like they use it, they grind it, it will be like this cassava flour of a thing, yam flour of a thing. So that they use it as a turning food too. I've took it before. I know one of my mother like that does that, like it. She even like it, and she does things like that. She steer banana flour and make it something like that, solid food, and we do take it, and it's very good. So there are many outside that do like that too. But so banana this thing, so, and they eat banana raw. Banana is good for our health. So the market doesn't cease. So if you go into banana business, it's not unlike the other business that the business will fall, they will no longer need it, they will no longer do this. No, the people always need banana all the time, most especially when our students resume in school. So they will need it to plant, they will use it to do the dough for them, something like that. For those who are outside Nigeria, the dough is what we fry. We fry banana. When you slice banana and you fry it, that is what we call dodo. So for those who are outside Nigeria, I know some of you are eating this kind of things too, but the name might just be different. So that is what we use banana for. So banana can be used in different ways, in diverse way, and banana is good. So we use it for fruits too. All these are industries, they use it as well. So that is that about banana farming that I want to talk about. So you can go into it too.